The auxiliary verb brothers. Am, is, and are. Hey Elvis, can you please tell me about framing a sentence with pronouns? Yes, Omar. I hope you have watched my video with Jimmy, in which I have explained him about pronouns. Yes, Elvis, I now know all about pronouns because of your video. Great! So now, let me tell you a story which will help you in framing sentences with pronouns. The story is called The Auxiliary Verb Brothers. Once upon a time, in a town called Auxil, lived 3 brothers, am, is, and are. They were called as auxiliary verbs because they used to tell information about the things which are in the present tense. Though they were brothers, they had different hobbies. Am was very shy. It had only one best friend, I. So, M liked to hang around only with I. For example, I am a boy. I am a student. I am a scientist. I am Rohan. Is liked to hang around with singular objects. So, is had a great bonding with all the singular person, object, animal, and thing. For example, Jimmy is a brilliant student. Lion is the king of the jungle. My water bottle is black in color. Delhi is the capital of India. Are like to hang around with all the plural objects. So, are had a great bonding with all the plural persons, objects, animals, and things. For example, you are my best friend. Cats are very fluffy. Bikes are best mode of transport. Fruits are very healthy. Hope you had fun and understood all about am, is, and are. Yes, Elvis, it was a fun and entertaining movie. Now I know the word am is used with the pronoun I. The word is used with all the singular objects, animals, person, and thing. And the word are is used with all the plural objects, persons, and things. Thanks, Elvis. You are my best friend. He he he, always. If you like our videos, please do share and subscribe to our channel.